Hello, my name is Laz Manish, and this is my video project for Fundamentals of Physics. I'm doing my project on one of the four fundamental forces of nature, gravity. Now, gravity is a huge part of video games. It depicts how a character looks in zero gravity. It shows how a character falls if it's free falling, to how high a character can get if it's going a certain velocity. Now, I found a YouTube channel called Game Theorist, and they did a little bit of science behind the leaps of faith in Assassin's Creed, and I put down this clip here, so I hope you enjoy it.
At this height, it's well above the 100-foot Red Dead Redemption zone. By my calculations, the fall takes around 3.7 seconds to complete, and with the acceleration due to gravity being 9.8 meters per second, we can just plug these numbers into the equation to make sure that everything checks out. Distance equals 1/2 acceleration due to gravity times time of the fall squared, and we get something that's not right. The equation should balance. Of course, we're not factoring in wind resistance, but that would make Ezio fall even
Now, I did the math of
slower.
actual Earth gravity for that fall, and it would take approximately 8.7 seconds. And I think the developers knew that, and they had to speed up that fall because 8.7 seconds is a long time to watch your character just free fall into a haystack. Now, please enjoy my experiment on how gravity, or lack thereof, helps gaming.
Gravity, stay the hell away from me. Gravity has taken better men than me. How can that be? Just keep me where the light is. Just keep me where the light is.
There you have it. As you saw in my video, gravity helps bring games alive. It helps make games more enjoyable, more realistic, and as you also saw, it makes lack of gravity makes games a little bit more enjoyable, like you saw in Dead Space, and as you see in these slides, the jetpacks in Halo, the gravity control module in Inversion. It's all things that that developers need to know and understand how things would react in zero gravity situations, and how the character would react, and how inanimate objects would react. And it's just a huge part of a physics engine, and a huge part of developing for any kind of game. It's very important that gravity is done properly in the game to make it more realistic. Also, you need to know, like in Assassin's Creed, that maybe you need to enhance gravity a little bit so those leaps of faith won't take so long, because 8.7 seconds, like we discussed, is a really long time to watch your character drop. So enhancing gravity in certain situations of the game is definitely a great idea, and I hope I covered everything I needed to cover in this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Again, my name is Laz. This is for Fundamentals of Physics under Corin Arambuk, and I hope you enjoy.